Hey everyone, what's going on? We are at Dental Brilliance here on New Hackensack Road. There's the Dutchess County Airport right over there. This is a system that we installed here for them. There's SunPower panels on the roof here. There's panels on the back roof over there as well, and then on the rolled rubber roof there. And what we installed here is a Wallbox car charger for them to have their clients charge their cars as they wait. Right now, I have my car charging here. It's 32 amps is what it's charging at right now, is the rate of charge. And you could see here, if you do have a Tesla, you'll just need to put the adapter on the end of it, and then you could charge your Tesla, and then you could pull this off, and then it's good for every other EV that's out there that's not a Tesla. All right, just wanted to show you what these Wallbox chargers look like. And right here, I'll just plug this in and we'll charge up again. You can see here it's going to turn green. And you can see the charger over there was just flashing. Now we're green. We are charging. The charger has a blue ring around it. And we'll go in the car and we'll see what we're charging at here. So in the car here, it's at 17 amps right now, and that'll get up to 32 amps shortly. So just wanted to give you the Wallbox charging experience. There we are, 32 amps we're charging at right now. All right, so if you want to get your teeth cleaned and charge your car at the same time, Dental Brilliance, this is a business that we took care of with solar and EV charging.